Guys, we've got a transformer on fire, it looks like. This is at a store down below where I live. I just thought I would give you a visual real quick. I'm sure the fire department or rescue squad will be here anytime, so I'm just going to hang out and see what happens. I don't want to be near the gas pumps, because that's right in the corner of the... Oh shit. Oh snap. Oh shit. It's raining. Alright, I'm going to cut this video for a minute. If something comes up, I'll come back. Alright, thanks guys.